While your competitors are fighting for attention online, what if you could simply rise above the noise? The difference between businesses that get flooded with customers and those that struggle isn't luck or bigger budgets. It's understanding how Google Business actually works. In the next 15 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to optimize your Google Business profile to dominate local search results and attract customers who are already looking for what you offer. Welcome to the KaeRae Marketing channel. I'm Kelsey, and twice a week we uncover Google secrets most business owners never discover. If you're tired of watching your competitors get all the customers, hit subscribe and that notification bell right now. Let's cut through the noise and get straight to what actually works. First things first, let's make sure we're all on the same page. Google Business Profile, formerly known as Google My Business, is your business's listing on Google. It shows up in the coveted map pack when people are searching for businesses like yours. Think of it as your digital storefront on the world's busiest street, except this street has over 8.5 billion visitors per day. That's how many searches Google processes. Now let's check to see if you've claimed your business. Go to google.com and type in your business name and location. Look for your business in the results. If you see a claim this business or own this business link, you haven't claimed it yet. If you don't see your business at all, we'll need to create your profile from scratch. To claim or create your profile, go to business.google.com and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you can create one. Follow the prompts to either find and claim your business or add a new listing. During verification, Google will typically send a postcard with a code to your business address. This usually takes 5 to 7 days, so start this process today. Now, let's talk about the foundation of local SEO: your name, address, and phone number. This is what industry pros call NAP consistency, and it's crucial. Here's the rule. Your business name, address, and phone number must be exactly the same everywhere online. Not similar, not close, exactly the same. Common mistakes I see all the time are people using street, ST, in one place and street spelled out in another, including or not including suite numbers inconsistently, using different phone number formats, and adding marketing keywords to your business name. Here's how to fix this. Open your Google Business Profile dashboard. Go to Info and update your business name, address, and phone number. Make sure it matches your website, social media, and other directories. Remember, Google cross-references your information with other websites. Inconsistency creates doubt, and doubt kills ranking. This is where things get interesting, and where most business owners leave money on the table. Primary categories are crucial. They tell Google what your business is, not what it does. Secondary categories provide additional context. Let's look at an example. Bad primary category, kitchen remodeling, what you do. Good primary category, general contractor, what you are. Secondary categories, kitchen remodeling service, bathroom remodeling service. To update your categories, go to your dashboard, click Info, find Category, and click on the pencil icon. Select your primary category first, then add secondary categories. Now let's talk about attributes. These are specific features of your business that help customers decide if you're right for them. Examples include wheelchair accessible, woman-owned business, free Wi-Fi, online appointments. These might seem minor, but they can be the deciding factors for customers choosing between you and your competitors. To update attributes, go into your dashboard and go to Info. Scroll down to find various attribute sections. Click on the pencil icon to edit each section. Be comprehensive. Don't leave relevant attributes blank. Businesses with photos get 42% more requests for directions and 35% more clicks to their website. Yet most businesses barely upload any photos, or worse, they use stock images. Google recommends a minimum of a logo, a cover photo, 3 exterior photos, 3 interior photos, 3 products or service photos, and 3 team photos. But that's just the bare minimum. Businesses dominating local searches have 20 plus high-quality images. Photo quality matters. Use natural lighting when possible. Show your business in action. Include team members with their permission. And showcase your best products and services. Don't forget to rename the photo before uploading it. To add photos, go to your dashboard, click Photos, and select the appropriate section. Upload high-quality, relevant images. Pro tip: Google now allows you to upload and add short videos. A 15-second clip showing your business in action could be worth 1,000 photos. This section is gold for service-based businesses, but shockingly underutilized. For service businesses, go to Services in your dashboard, add service categories and individual services. For product businesses, go to Products in your dashboard, create collections or categories, and add products with descriptions, prices, and photos. The key here is specificity. Don't just list consulting services. Break it down into specific offering, like Google Ads Audit or Marketing Strategy Session. This accomplishes two things. It gives Google more information about what you do, and it shows potential customers your full range of offerings before they even go to your website. Reviews aren't just nice to have. They're essential. Businesses with over 100 reviews earn 2 times more revenue than those with fewer than 25 reviews. But it's not just about quantity. You need quality and recency too. Here's a 3-part strategy that works. Number 1, make it easy to leave reviews. Go to your Google Business Profile dashboard, click Get More Reviews, copy your custom review link, and share this everywhere, in your email signatures, your receipts, follow-up texts, anything you can think of. Number 2, respond to every review. Positive reviews, thank them specifically, not generally. Negative reviews, acknowledge, apologize, and take it offline. Explain improvements. Google looks at response rates and times. Number 3, create a review generating system. Identify review opportunities, post-purchase, service completion. Create templates for asking, but personalize them. Follow up once, no more, or it's pestering. Track and improve your conversion rate. Posts and Q&A are your secret weapon. Only about 17% of businesses use posts regularly, giving you an easy competitive advantage. For posts, create at least once a week for an update. Use the different post types correctly. What's new? General updates. Events with date and time. Offers with redemption details. For Q&A, don't wait for a customer's question. Create your own FAQs. Answer common questions about your business. Be comprehensive. Aim for at least 10 Q&As. Pro tip: questions and answers contain valuable keywords. Think about what customers might ask when searching and incorporate those phrases naturally. There you have it, the essential steps to optimize your Google Business Profile. Implement these strategies and you'll be miles ahead of your competition. To recap, claim and verify your profile, ensure NAP consistency, optimize categories and attributes, add high-quality photos, details to your products and services, generate and respond to reviews, and keep your profile active with posts and Q&A. The businesses that dominate local searches aren't necessarily the biggest. They're the ones that pay attention to the details. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss our next video. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other business owners who could use this information. Your engagement helps our channel grow so we can keep providing free, valuable content like this. Have you tried optimizing your Google Business Profile before? Let me know in the comments what your biggest challenge has been. I read and respond to every comment. And if you're looking for a done-for-you solution, click on the link in the description for a free Google Business Profile audit, where we'll identify your specific opportunities for improvement. Thanks for watching, and here's to your business showing up when and where it matters most.